Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's product review is going to be on P. Louise Love Tapes. I'll be creating a seductive yet simple look. I've already prepped my eyes using Juvia's concealer in a number 14. I'm going to start off with the color Urge and Satisfy.
Pull up to the city, tell me I'm your lady. I'll be in that dress you like.
For my second choice of color, it's pronounced Smooch. It's this very vibrant, long-lasting, very pigmented red. I absolutely love it. I'm actually quite impressed because I didn't have any fallout, and for this to be like a high pigmented color, I was quite impressed. If you guys ever used P. Louise product, please let me know and tell me what you guys think about it. Before I go back in with the red, I'm just using the color Urge and Satisfy, and I'm just blending both of the colors in together, and then I'm going to go back in with the red, which is pronounced Smooch. I'm just bringing down the color, and that's really it. Again, I'm just creating a simple, seductive look for Valentine's Day. So now everything is blended in together. For my third choice of color, I'm going to go in with the color pronounced Ego. It's this very dramatic dark burgundy purple. It's so pretty. And as far as this color goes, I'm actually not going to go all the way in and make a cut crease. I'm just going to stay on the end of my eye. And I'm just applying my mascara before I place my lashes on. It's pronounced L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. For my foundation, I'm going to go in with the color Cocoa. It's actually by L'Oreal as well. It's pronounced True Match. And I'm just blending everything in. For my concealer, I'm going to use Juvia's in the number 14, and I'm just placing it on the areas that I want it to be highlighted at. And right now, I'm just going to use my beauty blender and blend everything in. I use Beauty Bakery for my setting powder in the color Almond. Now, in my last recent videos, you guys will actually notice that I tend to use this company a lot because I just feel like the pigmentation of the setting powder is just so perfectly blended well together. So if you guys would like to check them out, you can. It's pronounced Beauty Bakery. They're also connected to Morphe Cosmetics as well. And it's also black owned, y'all, so you got to check her out. And the brush that I'm using is by Morphe as well. It doesn't have a number in it because I bought it as like a full set, but if you guys want to check that out as well, it's at morphecosmetics.com. For my bronzer, I went in with Morphe Glam Bronzer, which is used for your face and body. It's in the color Prodigy, but I just wanted to let you guys know because I noticed that my camera actually cut off around this time, so sorry about that. So I'm just brushing everything out with my brush, and again, you guys, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box as far as like the brushes that I use and the product that I use down in the description box because I want you guys to know which set of brushes I use from Morphe because they have a whole bunch of set of brushes, so I'm just gonna leave it in the link below. Baby, let me love you. I just wanna hold you. We got nothing but the time. I'll take you anywhere you say. I'll take you to my hideaway. Baby, just tell me the word. I wanna give you the world. Let my love run wild. Let me love you down. Let my love run wild. Let me finish this look off, for my lipstick and my lip gloss, I went in with Love Bug, which is by Color Pops Cosmetics, and I used the lip gloss in the color Muse, which is by Amon, which is very affordable, by the way. For my setting spray, I went in with the company Morphe. It's pronounced Contagious. And voila, I am finished, completed, and ready to go on my Valentine's date. I hope you guys had a wonderful Valentine's as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys like this look because I really want to keep it simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.
I just wanna hold you. We got nothing